In this video, we are going to learn one new formula, new DAX function called as a previous, like previous day, previous month, like this. Last time we seen that previous period, right? Entire previous period it will take and we'll get it done. But how this previous works, I will check. I will show you now. Sorry. Uh, First, I will take one table. Okay, I just want to take it in a focus mode so that I can have a detail about table. In that particular table, we'll take this date column. Okay, so date wise, and I just wanted to arrange the sales. Okay, so we have taken a date and sales here, but the sales we have here, okay, on a daily basis from the 2003 to like 4 5 like this, we have all the date wise we have a sales. In this date wise sales, I just need the previous day sales. I would like to have it here. Means one more sales I need, that is nothing but previous day sales I need to have, or previous month sales. Like this I would like to have. So how can we do that one? We have to create one measure for that one. We'll go to measure table here, create a new measure. In a new measure, I will write it as a like previous. Okay, just I will say previous day. Okay, how exactly we can do that one? Previous day sales I need. First I will use a calculate formula. In calculate, we need to use a sum because total sales I will take. Okay, on each day. Okay, if I convert to month, it will become a month. So sum of, I just say mm, sales we need, right? So the sales column. Okay, close the bracket so that it complete the sum formula, comma. Now we will apply the filter here. What to be filtered? The previous day we need to have. So I say previous. Here you can see the previous day is there, month is there, quarter is there, okay, year is there. So I just want the previous day's sales. So I say previous day. Date column we need to select. So order date we need to select, and it should be converted into date format. So dot date. Close the bracket. It completes your previous day formula. One more bracket if I complete, that completes the calculate formula. Then if I enter, I will get it done, that particular measure previous day. Now if I select that measure, now you can see the previous day it has been shown. The previous day it has been shown, right? Okay, previous day data it has been taken, right? In case I don't want to show the just a previous day data, I just want to take a difference between them, like today's data minus previous day data, means how much changes happen on a daily basis I need. So how can we do that one? Changes I need. So I say previous day underscore, I just modify it to the difference. Okay, the difference I need, like how can we take a difference? I need to subtract this sales minus this entire calculation. So I say sum of, I just take a sales column here, sum of sales column minus the calculated value I will take, right? Calculated value I will take it to subtract them. If I enter, now changes has been taken place. Yeah, you can see the previous day, the difference it is showing, it is right, it's showing a differences on a daily basis, how much difference we have been got. Okay, here there is no difference, so it shows the 33. But here there is a difference is that, like sales minus the previous sales. If I take 80,000 is a difference, means increase happened. Here again there is a decrease of 98,000. Again the next day 68,000, 67,000 increase we have. So this way we can check the difference, like how much, whether it is increase or decrease on a daily basis. In case I need it in a month, like a percentage basis, how can we do it in a percentage? Modify into percentage, what we have to do? we have to divide this one by the sales, right? This difference has to be divided by the sales. So what I will do, I will go back to this one, previous sales. I will just edit, double click and edit, or click on that. You will get a formula. I just saying previous day difference percentage. I will modify it as a percentage. I need to divide them, right? This entire expression, I will keep it in a bracket. Okay, this entire expression to be divided by the sales, right? We have a formula for that, like divide formula. Okay, just select divide formula. This will become a numerator of the divide. Okay, comma, comma. I think, yeah. Okay, comma. The denominator of the divide formula will be which one? That is nothing but sales. Why we are not getting this one? Sum. Okay, one more bracket to be open, so that because divide we open, the one more bracket, within that bracket we need to keep that one, comma. Now we need a denominator, right? The denominator is nothing but a sum of the sales column, right? So sales column we require. Close the bracket to complete that sales one more bracket to be closed to complete that divide formula. Okay, now if I say okay, it has given in terms of the percentage. Okay, but it is not showing in a percentage, decimals it's showing. I can convert this into percentage by selecting that formula. Just here in our measure tools, here we have to select it into the percentage, or here also you can select a percentage format to be selected in a percentage format. Okay, number of decimals also you can increase or decrease in that particular percentage, this one. So what we have done, we have divided that difference by the sum of the sales. This is when we taken for the previous day one, daily basis we got, right? It shows that daily basis how much increase or decrease in the things happen. Like 100% it will show for the first one because there is no increase or decrease there, and here 70% increased by 600% decrease, again 80% increase, 50% increase. Okay, on daily basis it shows. Similarly, I just want to show it in a monthly basis. How can we do that one? Monthly basis, we have to go to that formula, edit. Here instead of previous day, we have to take a previous month. Only that changes we have to do. Previous day we taken previously. Now we take a month. If I say like this, okay, you will get 100% for the first month. The next month it will change because here day also we have been shown. Okay, because daily wise also we have shown. Because of that, every day it will show for the January 100%. The next month it will show, right? So what we have to do, only monthly basis I need, means here we have to, here values we had now, this day we have to take it out, close that day. So monthly basis it will show. In case I would like to show it in a quarterly basis, means again the same formula. We have to say a previous, instead of month we have to use a quarter, previous quarter. Then if I say okay, again it will show the 100% for the first 3 months, like that. Okay, later it will change because quarterly basis we have been calculated. So month we have to take it out here, so that we get only in terms of the quarterly basis how the changes happening. In case I need a like yearly basis I need, then we'll go back here, we change to the like year, like we can change it to the month, quarter, or yearly basis also. See, now if I closed on that quarters, we'll get it in a yearly basis how changes happen. First year 25% increase in the sales happened, but next year there is a decrease in the sales around 163% compared to the previous year. So the previous day or previous month or previous quarter you can change according to that, the name here. Okay, the name you can change here. Now it is not previous day, it is a previous year difference, right? Like this we can change the things. Okay, we can change the things and we can get it done. This is how the previous formula will use. I have been combined all the formula. It may look like a lengthy formula, but step by step if you return, you will get it done uh, in a without any errors. Okay, in the next video we will go with some more different formulas which we useful for analysis in a Power BI.